Need to adjust the hourly rate or scope for an ongoing contract? In this video, I'll show you the correct way to change contract terms with your client on Upwork. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. As projects evolve, so do their requirements. Upwork provides a formal process to update terms that keeps everything documented and secure. Open the specific contract from your My Jobs dashboard. Click on the More menu next to the contract name and select Edit Contract Terms. From here, you can propose a new hourly rate or, for fixed price contracts, adjust the budget. You must provide a clear, professional reason for the change for the client to review. The client will receive a notification and must approve the new terms before they go into effect. All previous work and payments under the old terms remain protected. A crucial pro tip: always discuss changes with your client before sending the formal request via Upwork. A quick message saying, "The scope has grown. Would you be open to adjusting the rate to X?" ensures they are expecting and are likely to accept the official request. And just like that, you can professionally adapt to project changes while maintaining a great client relationship. Clear communication is the key to successfully updating terms. Have you ever had to renegotiate a contract? How did it go? Share your experience in the comments. For fixed price projects, watch our next video on how to bill clients on Upwork. Thanks for watching.